Hello, my name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today I want to talk about the Federal Trade Commission and rulemaking in 2022. So the Federal Trade Commission in August of 2022 issued an advance notice of proposed rulemaking about commercial surveillance and data security. So this is a big deal. The Biden administration has been working with the FTC to get them to do rulemaking. So this is kind of the first foray into this particular FTC under the Commissioner Lisa Khan of trying to do rulemaking. The FTC rulemaking process is called the Magnuson-Moss or MAG-Moss rulemaking. This particular version of rulemaking that they're trying to do related to commercial surveillance and data security is supposed to be a more streamlined version of rulemaking. This shouldn't take as long, but it still takes a very long time. So the rulemaking process is basically an alternative to data legislation that comes out of Congress. So the FTC does have the power to do currently rulemaking around data privacy. So try to create more specific rules for organizations that are subject to the FTC jurisdiction and kind of their power around what they need to be doing in commercial surveillance and data security. So this rulemaking has 7 steps. The issuing of the advance notice is step 1 of 7. So that these steps include things like hearings, rule publishing, judicial review, enforcement under the non-streamlined version of rulemaking. The average time for these cases was like 6 years, so it takes a really long time. This is supposed to be a streamlined version, so even though it's streamlined, it still will take years, I think. So maybe instead of 6 years on average, it may take 2 or 3 or 4, I don't know. But I think this is a good step forward, but I think we have so many privacy challenges within the world and the U.S. And so I don't know, even though I think we need to be trying different things on different fronts, and this is definitely a great first step, it's going to take a while for this process to go through. And also one of the downsides of rulemaking is that people are concerned that the Supreme Court may somehow try to limit the FTC's authority to do rulemaking, sort of like what they've done with the EPA recently. And then also we know that rulemaking can be changed by Congress. So if Congress decides they wanted to pass a law or a rule, they could actually be changing what those rules may be. So I'm going to be watching this. It's going to take some years to go through this process, but it's actually a good step forward in the right direction. That's it. Thank you.